हाय ब्यूटीज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं एक ब्यूटीफुल सा पर्ल बैग हॉल। आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस ड्रेस फ्रॉम शीन एंड आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर अ पर्ल हैंड बैग टू स्टाइल इट विद, सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट लुक फॉर more options and try the best one out. So in the end of this video I'll tell you my 3 best pick from all these. So let's get started. The first one is this mini pearl bag. It does not have any closer, it's just like this. It can hardly fit anything, so it's just for show. But it's so cute. I love this little handbag. You can see in the video how pretty this looks with the dress that I've got. This pearl bags always go so well with polka dot dresses or saris or anything with polka dots. How cute this mini pearl bag is. Let's see what we can fit into this bag. It can fit one of the lipsticks. I've got this Maybelline lipstick, so let's see if this fits into it or not. Yes, it does. Now let's try something else. Since winter is coming, why not have a Vaseline in the bag? So let's try this. It also goes. Let's try something else now. Let's see if we can fit this compact in the bag. No. But let's remove this and let's see if we can add a compact. No, it doesn't fit really well. So it can just fit a lipstick. So yeah, you can carry it like this on. 243 में इस बैग की क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी है and it's a cute little bag. If you are looking for a mini pearl bag, then this is your bag to go for. Next comes this sling pearl bag. You can fit your phone into this one. You can see in the video how this looks. It has this pearl loop closer, as you can see. मुझे ये चीज़ इसकी काफ़ी सही लगी that it has a closer unlike the previous bag. तो इस बैग को कोई ज़रूरत नहीं closer की because it can hardly carry anything. But since we can carry a few things in this one, so I think it's very good that they have given this loop closer. Since I'm recording from my phone, I can't show you the phone in this, but let's try something else. We can put a liner, a gloss, earrings if you've got any. Since winter is coming, let's try and see if we can fit this Vaseline into this bag. Yes. So this is the amount that we can fit into this bag. This bag is 264 rupees and it's totally worth the money. Coming to this next pearl bag, इसका pearl handle बहुत अच्छा लगा because they have used big pearls in this one. So for the closer they have again used the pearl loop closer. इसके अंदर ये string भी है, so you can hold it like this as well and you can wear it like this as well. मुझे ये पड़ा है 334 rupees का. You can see the one that I have received it is a little damaged. I don't know if you can see this or not. Also, these pearls are also a little worn out. This product is a little damaged. Otherwise, this is such a good product. अगर ये product defected नहीं होता तो ये product बहुत ही अच्छा है. बहुत सारे scratches हैं, so it looks like really old. It doesn't look like a new product at all. Let's see what we can fit into this. A sunscreen, a mini perfume, a compact, a lipstick, and there is still space in this bag. As you can see, you can add a few more things in this. So इस बैग की capacity भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. You can carry a lot of things in this bag. So this bag is really good. I just wish it wasn't damaged. If anyone of you guys order this, then do let me know how's the product and how's the quality, or if your product is damaged or not. Comes this pearl bag. The price of this pearl bag is rupees 349 and I love the handle. Look at the handle. It is so pretty. The work done on this handle is so good. और इस बैग में आपको मेटल क्लैप क्लोजर मिल रहा है. Oh, how good is that? की कैपेसिटी भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. आप इसमें भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें ऐड कर सकते हैं. Let's see what we can fit into this. A CC cream, sunscreen, lipstick. You can easily keep your phone in this one. The metal clamp, like for this amount of money, this is such a good product. Also the quality of the pearls is also really good. Next comes this pearl bag. The price of this pearl bag is rupees 395. So as you can see in the picture, I really like the design. It was something different. Also the size of this bag is big, so I thought it could carry a lot of things as well. का size भी मुझे काफ़ी ठीक ठाक लग रहा था, तो मुझे लग रहा था कि इसमें काफ़ी सारा सामान भी आ जाएगा. The first thing that I noticed in this bag was that there is no closer. Like, why? Why is that? Next is this pearl handle. This is really good. I love the design. I love that the shape that it gives. मुझे लगता है इसमें एक दो pearls एक्स्ट्रा होने चाहिए थे, बिकॉज अब इस बैग की शेप कुछ अजीब सी लग रही है, एज यू कैन सी. और मे बी इसमें अभी कुछ सामान नहीं है, तो मे बी इस वजह से इसकी ये शेप ऐसी लग रही है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वी कैन फिट इनटू दिस बैग एंड देन सी इफ the shape remains like this or it works out. First, mini perfume, sunscreen, BB cream, lipstick, compact. इस बैग का जो कवर है, ये इस पे थोड़ा सा भी सामान डालने के बाद ये ऐसे आ रहा है इसके ऊपर, so it doesn't look good at all. Let's remove a few things and see. Next comes this pearl bag. I absolutely love it. Love the pink color beads that's given in this. Also look at the handle. इन्होंने यहाँ पे pink और white pearls को alternate position पे they have created this beautiful design. I absolutely love this strap. This is how it goes. इसमें भी pearl loop closer है, as you can see. इसमें भी स्पेस ओके ही है. आप छोटे मोटे कोई सामान रख सकते हो, लाइक लिपस्टिक, लिप ग्लॉस, कंसीलर मे बी. आई लव द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. इसकी क्वालिटी भी काफ़ी अच्छी है, बट ये बाकी प्रोडक्ट से थोड़ा सा प्राइसी है. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस बैग इज 531. क्वालिटी ऑफ दिस बैग इज रियली गुड. कम्स द हाईलाइट ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो, दिस लग्जरी लुकिंग हैंड बैग. इट्स सच अ पार्टी वेयर ऑप्शन. इसका लुक ही आपको बता रहा होगा कि ये सबसे महंगा प्रोडक्ट है आज की वीडियो का. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस बैग इज़ 841. सो या ये थोड़ा सा प्राइसी है, बट इट टोटली डिजर्व्स ऑल द मनी. इट्स अ मिक्सचर ऑफ दिस बीड एंड पर्ल. Look at the side, it's all pearl work. The rest of it is combination of bead and pearl. And में आपको metal clap closer दिया गया है. Absolutely love it. Must have. और इस बैग में काफ़ी सारा स्पेस है. Let's see what we can fit in. Sunscreen, perfect. Lipstick, BB cream, mini perfume. Let's try closing it now. And it gets closed so easily. अब तक जितने भी bags हैं, this bag is the most spacious. So my top picks from all these bags is, first one is this one. Obviously, I absolutely love the quality. If you're looking for a party wear bag, then this is what you should go for. My second favorite from today's collection is this mini pearl bag. I absolutely love how cute and adorable this is. Also the quality of pearls is really good. So this cute little bag goes second on the list. Third position के लिए I would say this and this bag are competing at an equal level. But since this product is damaged, then I will give the third position to this one. This is a cute little bag. Pinteresty look it has. So yeah. Third position goes to this one. I also ordered these pieces, so I wanted to add this to the video, but these orders got cancelled from the sellers. If you like today's bag haul, then do comment in the comment section and let me know if you want more such videos and what kind of bags are you looking for. I'll try to make more videos. So that's it for today, guys. Bye bye. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.